The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carroll County and north central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County and northern Maryland, Baltimore City and northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County and central Maryland until 5:30 p.m.
North Airport, a thunderstorm was reported.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Carroll County and north central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County and northern Maryland, Baltimore City and northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County and central Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Ellicott City, or 6 miles north of Columbia, and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ellicott City, Milford Mill, Catonsville, Woodlawn, Lawchern, Beachfield, Arbutus, Howard Park, Kenton, Union Square. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Baltimore, and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore.